Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the video. Arduino with Adideva. So basically I'm controlling the LED matrix just dot with the joystick. So basically this is a very simple project. So I'll tell you the connections later. So I'll just demonstrate it to you. So move my joystick up. The dot will also go up if I get it down. Like this, left, right, y-axis, x-axis. And you can have fun with it. It's really cool actually. Like seeing this dot moving here and there. So yeah, you can move it like this. So the connections are simple. You connect the joysticks 5 voltage to 3.5 volt on the on the Arduino board. The ground to ground in Arduino. The x-axis that to connect it to. The x-axis should be connected to analog pin number 5, and the y-axis should be connected to analog pin number 4, and the LED matrix voltage should be connected to 5 voltage should be connected to 5 volt. Ground should be connected to ground. The DIN, which is the DIN pin, the DIN pin should be connected to pin number 13. The CS pin should be connected to pin number 11, and the CLK, wait a minute, DIN pin should be connected to 13, and then the CS pin should be connected to pin number 12, and the CLK pin should be connected to pin number 11. So that's the connection. And yeah, so the code, I just brush through the code. I just scroll down. You can pause the video and copy it. That's it. So yeah, and the outcome will be like this. You move it around with the dot. So thank you everyone.